Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be working on the Forester. Let's do it. Alright guys, sorry I haven't uploaded for quite some time. This is a headache. I haven't done anything in here. I just haven't had the time to get to the records and cut this out. Went to a car show today and my dad suggested if I want him to go to the records and cut it out, because he's obviously retired and he's got time and it's just up the road from him. Got my 3D printer going. So what we're doing over here is oil related. You can see we've actually got quite a bit of oil on the exhaust here. So I borrowed some spanners. Got to get this front AN line off because the fitting is leaking. I've got a push-on fitting that could work. So the hard thing is getting it off. And you get this little bracket here off. Like, what's going on here? Something's melted. Is this plastic? There's plastic there. What? I think I might have accidentally used some nylon bolts. That's the nylon that's melted. It's on both of them. Whoops. Hey Az, what you doing? Right, got the jack stands. I'll grab my spare wheel as well and I'll chuck it under there. Say hi. Also, what I might do is grab some of this cardboard, cut out what I want here and draw it up for the 3D printer, and we'll print off some things. I'll do it in sections that can clip together, because the largest size I can do on the printer is 22 centimeters by 22 centimeters. It's by 25. So this is 25 hours into a print with 15 hours remaining. It's a pretty slow one. Yeah. So I printed this funnel, and it's also a filter thing. Get the jack out of the way. Yeah, so 3D printed that. That obviously made a tight seal on that. I don't think it's actually for that one. So it's supposed to dribble down here and go into the funnel and then come out, which it didn't do. But it made it easy to get it off. It's just easier to take the whole sandwich plate off. So I'll let that drain for a little bit. I'll come out and remove that and swap over the fitting. Fingers crossed this works. I'm getting over this. This is the only thing that's stopping me from driving it, really. Alright guys, I've got it swapped over. You can't see it up there, but man, that was annoying. That came in pretty good. Just need a stronger plastic. It's just PLA, so that probably won't last. I need to do an ABS one. But so we're down a bit of oil. Nothing we'll probably see just yet, but start it up, let it run for a bit, and then we'll top it up. Right, fingers crossed this fitting doesn't leak. It's just temporary until I get, was it the 500 series, the Teflon ones? Keys are inside. So the Foss hasn't been starting lately because I've been swapping batteries between the Skyline and this, and I hadn't been tightening down properly, so I hadn't had a good earth. So that's why I didn't start last time. And now it's got a flat battery. Oh no, is he good? Okay. Nope, 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 nope. Oh. Oh. That fitting just shat itself. It broke. Oh dear. Have I got another 90? This is not good. Well, I think it's fair to say that I need to get some more oil. That's the fitting there. It's just cooked out. Never had that happen before. And I'm glad I haven't. I'm glad I caught it straight away. Right, got another 90. Let's get this off and onto that hose. Alright boys, new fitting is on. I've put all the oil that I've got in there. Let's start it up and see if we have a leak. Oh, it made a mess. This fitting looks alright though. That fitting up there looks alright too. Oil pressure, we're at 100. Alright. Get some more oil tomorrow. I've got to take that bumper off and clean it up. Alright, coming to make some dinner. Alright, there is no oil on the dipstick. So, I put about a litre in before I just checked it. So, yeah, I'll get some more oil tomorrow. It sprayed out the front. So glad I caught that and weren't stuffing around inside the car. Otherwise that could have been a lost engine. Alright guys, just got some more oil, topped it up. I thought, hey, I'll check how this is going. Not good. A drip on the exhaust. The other one's leaking, and the new 9° has oil on it too, and so does all the bumper bar. So I'm not even going to bother starting it. I'm going to go order some AN lines and some fittings. Well, this sucks. At least I got some more oil for later when I need to take that adapter plate off again, the sandwich plate. Alright, so I'm going to do some 3D modelling of my center gauge pod that's in there, the carbon fibre one, and double check measurements and stuff with the actual plastic. So let's go have a look, I'll show you. So as you can see, it's sitting up a bit, so I'm going to measure all of this here, make sure we sit flush, and with the dash pad as well. And I'm going to get the thicknesses right. I'll have the screws in there, but what I'll do is actually go in there so it clips. This actually clips into there. I could even get it to clip into here as well. Alright, I've got some work to do and some money to spend, so let's get it done. Hopefully get it done before Christmas. I'll measure up this as well now, and I'll 3D model something up for that as well. Alright guys, it's a couple of days later and I've designed a little fuse box cover, battery cover area, and should go over the windscreen washer bottle as well. So let's get this set up and we'll start printing that off. So I was looking at AN lines and fittings and stuff like that. It should be a couple $100 to get that sorted for the oil cooler. So coming into Christmas, it might not be feasible, but yeah, we'll keep doing things for the Forester. We'll clean it up. I do want to do more fiberglass and stuff like that, but I think it's going to be a lot more 3D modeling. So comment down below if you want to see me doing more of that stuff and showing you guys. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this episode. It wasn't the best outcome for the Forester, but we're slowly getting there, boys. Slowly getting there. This is going to be an issue. I've got some holidays coming up in January, so hopefully if I can't get it before Christmas, hopefully I can get down to the wreckers and get that cut out for the battery location here. Yeah, slowly boys, slowly. Thanks for watching guys. Catch you next time. Bye.